In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your domain to HubSpot. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go inside your account and what to expect as HubSpot guides you through the connection process. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to your HubSpot account and that you have the right permissions to manage domains. It's also helpful to have access to your domain registrar or DNS provider in another tab, since you may need to follow prompts that reference it. Start by heading to the top right of your HubSpot dashboard and clicking the settings icon. This opens your account settings, where all the site and publishing options live. On the left-hand menu, look for the Tools section, then select Domains and URLs. This area is the hub for everything related to how your content is served on the web, and it's where you'll connect, manage, and review your domains. Next, click Connect a Domain. HubSpot will launch a guided workflow that walks you through each step on screen. The prompts are designed to be straightforward. You'll choose what you're connecting the domain for, such as website pages or other content, and you'll confirm the domain or subdomain you want to use. Throughout the process, HubSpot may provide specific instructions tailored to your setup. Just follow the on-screen steps exactly as they appear. If HubSpot asks you to verify ownership or update DNS records, don't worry. That's completely normal. Keep the HubSpot window open while you switch to your domain provider to make any requested updates, then return to HubSpot to continue. Copy any values carefully to avoid typos, and if there's a verification step, give it a moment. Sometimes DNS changes can take a little time to propagate. If you see a pending status, a short wait and a quick refresh often do the trick. Once HubSpot recognizes the updates, you'll see confirmation that your domain is connected. From there, you can review how it's being used and confirm that the correct domain is set as primary for the content type you're publishing. It's a good idea to visit your site in a private browser window to confirm everything loads correctly and that the secure connection looks good. That's all there is to it. Click Settings, go to Domains and URLs under Tools, click Connect a Domain, and then follow the steps provided. Keep your DNS provider handy, take your time with the prompts, and you'll be connected smoothly. If you ever run into a message you're unsure about, the on-screen guidance in HubSpot will point you in the right direction.